Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up Govee Scenic DreamView. So with the Govee Scenic DreamView, it's basically Govee's way of setting up like a three-dimensional lighting experience when it comes to watching movies or television. So what you're going to need to do first is that you're first going to sync up all your products with Govee, and then afterwards you're going to go into the Home tab and then find DreamView, and then go ahead and click on DreamView and then give it a second to actually connect to your phone. But once it's connected to your phone, you're going to scroll down and then click on area setting. So this is where it's going to get slightly complicated, guys, so just bear with me. Now it really depends on what Govee products you have connected to your Govee ecosystem. So for my example, I have two floor lamps, I have a starlight projector, and then I have the portable table lamp. If you look at this diagram and the bottom half of the screen, you'll see that you have a TV and then you have the numbers. The way that I set mine up is that I have it set up so that my Govee TV Backlight 3, it's already in sync with what colors are appearing on the screen. And then I place my floor lamps beside my TV. So with my floor lamps, what I do is that I have one of my floor lamps, let's say floor lamp basic, the first one, I have it so that it matches the right side of that diagram. So you can see that the numbers I've changed it to are 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so that the right floor lamp matches the right side of the screen. So let me repeat that again. All you got to do is click on the number, and you can see that this right here corresponds to the number 3 on the diagram of the shown below. And then as far as floor lamp basic 2, I have my other floor lamp match the left side of the screen. So you'll see that the numbers that I'm using are 2, 1, 10, 9, 9, and 8. So when it comes to colors actually showing on the screen, it makes it so that my right floor lamp matches the right side of the screen, and then my left floor lamp matches the left side of the screen. Now for the portable table lamp, you can have this match whichever color that you want. I just did 5, but it's more so up to you. And then for the starlight projector, you can match that with whatever color that you want. I just chose 3 just because I found that to be the most suitable. But as far as adjusting the floor lamps go, you can copy my numbers, and it really does lead to a nice viewing experience when it comes to watching television on Scenic DreamView. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I've set up Scenic DreamView. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.